You think rooting your phone gives you total freedom, but are you actually opening the door to hackers? Let's uncover the hidden dangers of bypassing your device's built-in protections. Rooting Android or jailbreaking iOS involves exploiting a specific bug to remove manufacturer restrictions. While this grants deep control, it fundamentally breaks the security sandbox that keeps third-party apps isolated and safe. By bypassing these internal protections, you inadvertently disable critical security measures. This leaves your device exposed to malware that can now access data and functions previously locked away by the operating system. The risks go beyond simple viruses. Sophisticated spyware can latch onto a rooted OS in ways that sidestep traditional defenses, enabling deep surveillance and data theft without you even knowing. Worst of all, these vulnerabilities can lead to device bricking. If the malicious code exploits the bypass protections deeply enough, it can corrupt the operating system entirely, turning your phone into a brick. While custom skins and apps seem appealing, remember that every security feature disabled is a potential entry point for attackers. The convenience of root access often costs you your privacy and data safety. Ultimately, the freedom to install anything comes with a heavy price: complete vulnerability. Your phone's built-in security isn't just software, it is your last line of defense against modern cyber threats. Now that you know how rooting compromises your device's safety, have you considered if the risks are worth it? Share your thoughts on customizing your phone in the comments below.